Prepare cables and tools. You are advised to pause the video or take a screenshot. Operation process. Strip the output power cable to an appropriate length and ensure that it is not broken. Strip the wires. Do not damage the wire core. Do not strip wires to inconsistent lengths. Disassemble the AC connector. Route the cable through the AC connector. Secure the wires. Assemble the AC connector. Remove the dustproof cap. Connect the AC connector to the AC output port. Fasten the snap fit. Tighten the screw. Select an appropriate AC switch in accordance with local industry standards and regulations. RCD rating is greater than or equal to N multiplied by 300 mA.